Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about the service interval on a Kia Stonic, and this is pretty much similar to all Kia models. This is a 2018 model, and in order to reset the service interval, you're going to have to put ignition on, and then you're going to wait for this beeping noise to go away, which is very annoying. Right, so now you've got on the steering wheel, got the menu button, up, down, and okay, it's down here. So we're gonna go on the menu button and you're gonna switch to user settings, then you're gonna scroll down to service interval. We're gonna press OK, and then you can see here this one has what is called customer service mode, which means you can adjust the interval as you wish. On workshop interval mode you cannot adjust it whatsoever, you can only reset it. You'll see you have no option to do anything here. You can only see what's left of the service. And now in order to reset this, you just have to do is just press the OK button continuously until you'll get this message, and then you can select yes, OK, and you're done. If you want to modify it, just go to adjust interval, press OK, and then you can use the up and down. Up will go positive and down will go negative, so you can put 20,000 miles or whatever you feel like. Then go on the next digit, it's going to be only the thousand. There you go. You go up and down again, and then press OK, it will move down to months. There you go, and you can select your time here, and then when you press OK again, you're gonna press again, and it's gonna ask you if it'll be anything changed. You'll get like a message. So let me show you. I'll put 20,000 miles on it. Okay, 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 and then okay. Ask if you want to save it. Click yeah, okay again, and service device saved. Then you're gonna have to wait a bit, and then you can see it now set to 20,000 miles and 365 days. So we're gonna put it to exactly 10,000 miles. Yes, and that's it. So that is the difference between the customer mode and workshop mode. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you on my next one.